Hi everyone, I'm Gio. Thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel. This video is a follow-up to the 10.2.1.0 upgrade I recorded last week. And I'll also share an update from a recent 10.2.1.2 upgrade I completed. Before the 10.2.1.0 upgrade, this SBC was running version 10.2.0.2. At that time, dynamic license allocation wasn't configured. There was no call processing errors or issues. However, after completing the 10.2.1.0 upgrade, I encountered the following error message. This system has one or more SBCs that appear to have no licensing configuration. This may cause calls to fail. This issue was directly related to the dynamic license allocations not being configured. When we placed test calls, they failed, and running trace SBC confirmed the cause: missing license configuration. If you run into the same issue, this is how to fix it. Log into your SBC, click on Device Management. Once you get to your SBC, click on Edit, and then click Next. Click Next again. Under Dynamic Settings, set both the minimum and the max license allocation. Then click Finish to apply the changes. That resolves the problem immediately. Now regarding the 10.2.1.2 upgrade, after completing the upgrade, I ran the ipcs-version command and noticed that the service support package was missing. If you upgrade to 10.2.1.2, make sure to run the ipcs-version afterwards. And if you see that the SSP is no longer listed, you'll need to reinstall it. Those are the two tips I wanted to share with you, and I hope you found them helpful. If you have little ones in your life, don't forget to visit noahsreadingsuite.com and download my free activity pages, and also check out one of my children's books. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.